everyone! Welcome back! Today, we're tackling a common hurdle that many of you might face during Android Studio installation. You are trying to set up Android Studio, but you cannot see the SDK add-on list. This happens during the initial setup process. It prevents you from downloading important components. Don't worry, we have some clear steps to help you fix this problem. First, let's understand why this issue occurs. Sometimes, the installer cannot connect to the internet properly. This could be due to network problems. It might also be because of incorrect proxy settings. Your firewall or antivirus software could also be blocking the connection. These issues prevent the SDK list from loading. Our first simple fix is to check your internet connection. Is your Wi-Fi connected and stable? Is your Ethernet cable plugged in securely? Try opening a web browser. Can you visit other websites without any issues? A stable and active internet connection is absolutely essential for the installer. Next, let's look at proxy settings. During the Android Studio installation, you will often see a screen for HTTP proxy configuration. If you do not use a proxy server, make sure to select the No Proxy option. If your network requires a proxy, carefully enter the correct host address and port number. Even a small typo can prevent the connection. Incorrect proxy settings are a very common reason for this problem. Your computer's firewall or antivirus software might also be the culprit. These security programs can sometimes block outgoing connections from new applications. You can try temporarily disabling your firewall and antivirus software during the installation process. Just do this for a few minutes while the SDK list loads. Remember to re-enable them immediately after to keep your system secure. Check your Windows Defender settings or your third-party antivirus program. Another simple solution is to run the installer as an administrator. Sometimes, permission issues can prevent the installer from accessing network resources. Right-click on the Android Studio installer file. Then, select Run as Administrator. This grants the installer the necessary permissions to complete its tasks. This often resolves unexpected installation problems. If these steps do not work, you can try a more advanced method, manual SDK component download. This is useful if the initial setup keeps failing. You can open Android Studio after the basic installation. Go to Tools-SDK Manager. From there, you can manually install the missing platform tools, build tools, and other SDK components. This bypasses the initial setup screen issue. You can also download specific SDK components directly from the official Android developer website. Then, you place them into the correct SDK folder on your computer. This ensures you get all the necessary tools. Finally, always ensure you are using the latest stable version of Android Studio. Older installers might have bugs that have been fixed in newer releases. Download the most current stable version from the official Android developer website. A fresh download often resolves many installation glitches. I hope these tips help you successfully access the SDK add-on list. You should now be able to complete your Android Studio setup without any further issues. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or other tips. Share this video with anyone who might need it. And consider supporting our channel for more useful tutorials like this one. Your support means a lot to us. See you next time.